For over 50 years, the moon has been a silent witness to our ambitions, a place where humans once walked and then left behind. The footprints and artifacts left by the Apollo missions are a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. The Apollo missions' iconic images remind us of a time when exploration knew no bounds. These missions were not just about reaching the moon, they were about pushing the limits of what was possible and inspiring generations to dream big. Since 1972, we've stayed in low Earth orbit, gazing at the moon but never returning. The International Space Station has been our home in space, a place of continuous human presence and scientific discovery. Now, a new era is dawning. The sight of the Earth rising over the lunar horizon is a powerful reminder of our small place in the universe and the vast potential that lies ahead. The Artemis program is set to take us back, not just to visit, but to stay. This ambitious program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, creating a stepping stone for future missions to Mars. This time, we're building on the past with advanced technology and a vision for a sustainable, inclusive future. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to develop the technologies needed for long-term lunar habitation. Artemis isn't about planting flags. It's about learning to live and work on another world, paving the way for Mars and beyond. The lessons we learn on the moon will be crucial for the next giant leap in human space exploration. Scientists, engineers, and a new generation of dreamers are united in anticipation. The excitement is palpable as we prepare to return to the moon and push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. The Artemis program is a global effort, a symbol of our shared curiosity and drive to explore. International collaboration is key to the success of this mission, bringing together the best minds from around the world. The countdown has begun, not just for a mission, but for a permanent human presence in deep space. Each second brings us closer to a new chapter in human history. The moon is calling, and we're ready to answer. With the Artemis program, we are poised to embark on an extraordinary journey, one that will redefine our place in the cosmos and inspire future generations to reach for the stars. At the heart of this new lunar era is Artemis II, a mission that marks humanity's return to deep space after more than half a century. This is not just another space flight, it's a bold leap forward, reigniting our dreams of lunar exploration and pushing the boundaries of what's possible for human space travel. Artemis II is the first crewed mission of the Artemis program, carrying a diverse team of astronauts who will represent all of humanity as they journey farther from Earth than any humans before them. Following the uncrewed Artemis I, Artemis II will send 4 astronauts on a groundbreaking voyage around the moon. Their path will take them thousands of miles beyond the lunar surface, venturing into unexplored territory and setting the stage for future landings. This mission is a critical test, proving Orion's systems and readiness for deep space. Every system, from life support to navigation, will be pushed to its limits, ensuring that the spacecraft can safely carry humans on even longer journeys. The crew won't land yet, but their sweeping lunar flyby will validate every aspect of the spacecraft. Their observations and experiences will provide vital data, shaping the design and safety of future missions that will one day touch down on the moon's surface. Artemis II bridges the legacy of Apollo with the promise of the future, using 21st-century technology and vision. It honors the achievements of those who came before, while forging a new path for the next generation of explorers. Every maneuver and system check will ensure the safety of future landings and the establishment of a lunar base. The lessons learned here will be the foundation for a sustainable human presence on the moon, and eventually, for journeys to Mars and beyond. Artemis II is our bold declaration. Humanity is ready to venture beyond Earth once more. The mission inspires hope, curiosity, and a sense of unity as we reach for new horizons together. Its success will open the door to the moon and the solar system beyond, ushering in a new era of discovery, innovation, and adventure for all humankind. The Artemis II crew stands as a powerful symbol of human achievement, representing not only skill and dedication, but also the values of diversity and international partnership that define the future of space exploration. Each astronaut brings a unique background and perspective, making this team a microcosm of the world's best and brightest. Commander Reed Wiseman, a seasoned NASA astronaut and accomplished Navy pilot, leads the mission with a steady hand and a wealth of experience. His leadership has been honed through years of rigorous training, spaceflight, and service to his country, making him the ideal choice to guide this historic journey beyond Earth's orbit. Victor Glover, serving as the pilot, brings invaluable expertise from his long-duration mission aboard the International Space Station. Glover's technical skills and calm under pressure have earned him respect throughout the astronaut corps. As the first person of color to embark on a lunar mission, he is breaking barriers and inspiring future generations to dream bigger. Christina Koch, one of the mission specialists, is renowned for her record-breaking single spaceflight by a woman, spending 328 days in space. Her deep expertise in engineering and science, combined with her adaptability in challenging environments, makes her an essential member of the crew. Koch's resilience, determination, and innovative problem-solving skills are vital assets for Artemis II, ensuring the crew is prepared for any challenge they may face on their journey. Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen, also a mission specialist, is a former fighter pilot with the Royal Canadian Air Force. His selection marks a proud moment for Canada, as he becomes the first Canadian to travel to the Moon, highlighting the importance of international collaboration in space exploration. Hansen's inclusion in the crew is a testament to the strong partnership between NASA and the Canadian Space Agency, and a milestone in the ongoing story of global cooperation in space. Together, Wiseman, Glover, Koch, and Hansen form a team that embodies the spirit of exploration, innovation, and teamwork. Their combined skills and diverse backgrounds are what make Artemis II possible, and their unity is a beacon for all who look to the stars. The Artemis II mission is not just a historic step for humanity, it's a powerful symbol of what we can achieve when we work together, transcending borders and differences to reach for the unknown. These 4 astronauts are the trailblazers of a new era in lunar exploration, paving the way for future missions and inspiring people around the world to pursue science, technology, and discovery. As the world watches Artemis II embark on its journey, these astronauts carry with them the hopes and dreams of millions, making history and lighting the path for generations to come. Artemis II's journey begins at Kennedy Space Center, launching from the historic Pad 39B. The launch window opens in early 2026, timed for the best trajectory and safe return. The Space Launch System, NASA's most powerful rocket, will propel Orion and its crew beyond Earth's gravity. SLS's massive boosters and engines generate 8.8 million pounds of thrust, enough to escape Earth's pull. Atop the rocket sits Orion, a state-of-the-art spacecraft designed for deep space survival. Orion's crew module and European service module provide life support, power, and protection for the astronauts. Years of testing and the success of Artemis IV have refined this hardware for crewed flight. As launch day approaches, anticipation builds for the moment SLS ignites and humanity's return to the Moon begins. Artemis II's mission is a 10-day ballet of precision and engineering. After liftoff, Orion enters Earth orbit for system checks, then transitions to a high 24-hour orbit for further testing. The crew will manually fly Orion, gaining hands-on experience before heading into deep space. The translunar injection burn sends Orion speeding toward the Moon at over 24,500 miles per hour. As they leave Earth behind, the crew will see our planet shrink to a distant blue marble. Orion's free return trajectory loops around the Moon's far side, using lunar gravity to sling the spacecraft back toward Earth. The crew will travel farther from home than anyone before, capturing breathtaking views and vital data. After the lunar flyby, Orion coasts home for a fiery re-entry and splashdown in the Pacific. Artemis Ascent is a test flight with critical objectives. Its top priority: prove Orion's life support systems can keep 4 astronauts safe in deep space, far from Earth's protective shield. The mission will rigorously test air, water, and temperature systems, as well as radiation protection. Communication and navigation will rely on NASA's Deep Space Network, ensuring reliable contact at lunar distances. The crew will manually pilot Orion, simulating maneuvers needed for future lunar landings. The final test: Orion's heat shield must survive re-entry at nearly 25,000 miles per hour, protecting the crew for a safe splashdown. Success here means Orion is ready for the next giant leap. Artemis II is a vital link in a larger campaign to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon. It builds on Artemis I's uncrewed test, adding the human element and gathering data on deep space living. The mission's success will certify Orion for regular crewed flights, paving the way for Artemis III's historic lunar landing. Artemis III will see the first woman and first person of color set foot on the moon, using lessons learned from Artemis II. The Artemis program aims for a permanent lunar base and the Gateway space station, requiring many more missions. Artemis II unlocks this future, transforming SLS and Orion into proven vehicles for deep space exploration. Every step forward stands on the foundation Artemis II will lay. NASA's Send Your Name to the Moon initiative invites everyone to join the Artemis II journey. By submitting your name online, you can have it etched onto a microchip flown aboard Orion. Nearly 1 million people have already signed up, making this mission a shared global adventure. This tradition connects the public to exploration, turning spectators into participants. When Orion circles the moon, it carries not just astronauts, but the hopes and dreams of millions. For many, especially children, it's a spark of inspiration, a reminder that space belongs to all of us. Artemis II will carry a piece of humanity on its voyage. The moon remains a beacon of curiosity and possibility, both a scientific treasure and a symbol of human potential. Its resources, like water ice, could fuel future missions deeper into space. Artemis is a global effort, uniting nations in cooperation and friendly competition. The return to the moon is pushing technology and innovation at an unprecedented pace. More than anything, Artemis II is about inspiration, showing a new generation that the future is theirs to build. The mission will ignite imaginations, drive students towards science and engineering, and unite the world in wonder. The Artemis II crew carries not just instruments, but the dreams of a planet ready to reach for the stars. In answering the moon's call, we're shaping the future of humanity.